Hi everybody, unscheduled, I'm going live again. Me and my Mesa, me and my connection to the altars and the foundations that ground me. I'm here right now inviting you to a live in-person event. I'm so excited to be here. I'm Julie Hannon and I'm hosting a live in-person event on spring equinox. And I wanted to say it again and say it here on my page. Today is the day of what I call beginner's mistakes. And so this was posted a little bit earlier in an event, and here I am live. And I'm so excited to be sharing about the upcoming live event that's happening for Mesa gatherings. Are you ready to come in to fire ceremony, to connect to Mesa, to connect your Mesa to other Mesa carriers and stone altars across time? We've been in hibernation a year ago. I realized this morning, a year ago, this week, I was in process of taking an in-person live event and transitioning to virtual. And now it's time to take that virtual life back into the personal life and out into the place of connecting in circle. We all know that when we come together, two is more than twice one, that we're here together. I see some of you online. If you're joining me for the circle, if you're joining me at Menla for the retreat, put a note in there, invite your friends, say hello, and what excites you about coming together at this time? What excites you about being together? And why Menla? Why do we come together? I'm talking about our live in-person retreat, the weekend of March 18th. Menla was a valley that was carved by a meteorite. And what's this thing that I'm holding? It's my medicine bundle. And it's full of stones. And we know in the Andean traditions that we are the children of the sun. And Menla has a meteorite 1 to 2 miles below the ground. And we're going to come together and connect our medicine bundles to the medicine of that meteorite. And remember that we are children of the sun. Why else should we come together? Circle, sacred space. It's time to come out of hibernation. And I've been to Menla over the summer. They can host us so safely. We're so looking forward to being there, to having these ceremonies, to being around the fire together. We're stepping into re-entry together in this compassionate way for ourselves and each other. And we all know the importance of coming together to co-create. And humans recognized so many years ago the power of circles and what happens when we bring our energy, what we generate when we bring our energy together. So I hope to see you there. I'm really excited about being there. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. I'm happy to answer them. Somebody asked last time on the last event one, how you register. You register by clicking that link to come together. It's in New York. So if you live in the Northeast, come and join us. If you live in the Northeast, come and join us. And join us energetically. If not, connect your altar to the stone altars across time for equinox. It's a time to bloom. Let's take a breath together. Everybody breathe in together if you're here live. And breathe out. This thing that I'm holding, my Mesa, is bursting with excitement. It doesn't even want to stay closed because it's time to open up to the possibilities, to open up to what do we want to plant this spring. So to finish that sentence, how you register, you click the link that's in the description, bit.ly/Mesa Gathering 2021. When you register there with me, then you get all the information you need to register with Menla. I'll see you in the Catskills. I'll see you on top of that meteorite. I'll see you at equinox. Please message me if you have any questions. Would love to come in person, maybe next time. And there's more coming. Watch this page, or there's more in-person gatherings coming, because that's what's happening. It's time to come out into the world. Thank you, everybody. An in-person weekend of coming together in celebration and sacred space. Thanks for being here with me, and I look forward to answering any questions that you leave in the chat. Have a sacred and beautiful day. See you and all the possibilities that you hold and all your magic around the fire.